At Monica's birthday party, her best friend, Lisa, decided to spice things up with an ingenious prank. Lisa baked a gorgeous layered cake, but instead of just cream, she filled it with sneezing confetti. As Monica cut through the cake with excitement, a burst of colorful confetti erupted, filling the air and sending everyone into fits of laughter. Amidst cheers and playful sneezes, Monica couldn't stop laughing, and neither could the guests. The party turned into a confetti-filled dance floor, making it the most memorable birthday bash ever.